everyone, starting off the vlog walking in the beach in New London with my niece Ange. Literally, I wasn't gonna vlog, but I might as well vlog it. Miniature golf course right there. Never really done miniature golfing. Pretty cool beach with the boat. Beach goers. Boardwalk, New London. What's the name of the beach again? Ocean Beach, New London, Connecticut. Oh, way quieter over here. I don't know if this miniature golf course is like closed.
Yeah, it looks closed.
Real nice. And then you just got the end of here. And I love it that you can smell chicken tenders from all the way over here.
Looks like a carnival.
Damn, I can go for some chicken tenders. Look at the boats. Have not run into any white Karens yet. Maybe that one over there's a Karen. But that boat sure looks nice, man. Look how cool that boat is.
Those boats have been coming back and forth all day.
Yeah, I know, right? It's awesome. I think it's one of those boats, trolleys. It's right there.
Wanna go back?
Yeah, and then we can walk down straight and then we go back. That breeze is so nice, guys. If you can feel that breeze, how nice it is. You're probably gonna hear it in the video.
Yeah, especially your clothes are so, you're actually dry. So.
Oh yeah, my sun shirt is really dry. My shorts are still wet though. Yeah, it's crazy. At least everybody's enjoying themselves. I think we're an hour away from home.
Yeah.
Seagulls are attacking. Like I said, you smell chicken tenders. But in the water was cold as hell.
Like,
And over there you can see, I want to see those freaking kites.
Oh dang, there's a lot.
Yeah, I know, right? A lot of kites. Miniature golf again. Just cool to walk this. Lifeguard on duty, only where flags are flying or in between from 10 to 6. So they close about at 6.
I never saw that bubble.
Some kid over there is flying bubbles. Somebody's playing football. Just vlogging it up. Sorry, I'm far away from the camera. Yeah, guys, I'm not gonna shoot any bikinis. Oh my God, this is crazy. It's nice though. How cool that boat is right there. The one just going by in that water. Look how nice that is. It's crazy. I buy these shorts at Walmart. They have that white guard inside.
In loving memory of Rosario J. Finado.
Oh. The boardwalk has names, I guess.
Look, another one. And another one. Well, some people
I guess,
died here.
yeah, somebody died or they basically Coast Guard. Somebody pays money and they put their names here for memory.
Ocean Beach, precious
Ocean Beach
memories.
precious memories. Yeah. I guess every state has this. Oh. That's cool. Yeah. So we're just walking down this boardwalk here. Food courts over there. Showed you a few minutes ago the miniature golf course. Got a merry-go-round, the water slides. Tables are all sanitized. Seagulls are looking for spare food. Earlier eating a Cheeto. Literally eating Cheetos. And the wind feels so good, doesn't it? It's like 84 right now. It's crazy good. Oh my God. Whew, I haven't felt this in a long time. Everything's been hot and humid, huh? People are out here doing stuff. My family's sitting over there, if you can tell by the seagulls on top of that little building and that green tent. That's where my family's at right now. Those are the bathrooms. We're all social distancing, if you can tell. Ocean Beach Park. Please protect our staff. But people are still not doing it correctly.
5 people minimum per group. Everybody are like 10 people plus.
There's 10 everywhere.
That's like 30 people right there.
Yeah, look, it's Tent City on the other side. People buying pizzas, eating cake. There's a trolley, I think. I don't know what you call those. Oh, they got a soda machine. Probably doesn't even work. Probably like $3 sodas. Oh, cool. It's better. Like, you don't have to be around the dirt.
When we leave, we can rinse our shoes there. I mean, our feet.
Yeah.
So then we don't get in the car.
Oh, now we found some lifeguards. Oh, wow. Boardwalk is crazy. It's showing you all the stuff. Yeah. Just basically walking here. Enjoying all this stuff. Nice walking. Damn, why you coming to the beach if you have a big ass tent? What was this over here? A pool? Oh, it's closed. Man, they haven't maintained. It's been closed. Oh, I guess they have the pool closed because of Corona. And I bet you they have the play skates are closed too. Damn, Corona ruins everything. Where was those balloons at that we just saw?
What balloons?
Those kites.
Oh, they're back there behind the tree.
Alright. Oh, this was a spray park. Closed too. Wow.
It's weird that's closed. All you do is just run.
They even got rid of the volleyball thing. Damn. The playground. Oh, yeah. Now you can see the ocean way better. And look at all those yachts
Look at that
over
little
there.
island. Oh my god, I want to go there.
Really cool. This is way better than over here.
It's clear.
I know.
We're in Connecticut.
I know. It's crazy. Look at this. Look at all those little boats.
They're all pointing.
Yeah. That little island's cool, and that's where the seagull shit is at. And somebody went all the way over there to go fishing.
Dude, do not go underwater. Dude.
Oh, and the breeze feels way nicer.
You can't see what's in front of that. Dude, it's so hairy.
Dang, that was big.
Yeah, it looks like a unicorn. And you can see the whole entire beach from here. Wow. And they had to pick the shittiest side of the park. Look at all the beach homes. Angie, look how many more vacation homes. This beach goes all over. This must be the power plant. You're welcome. Travel over here. Gotta make sure because these rocks about to like sharpen my ass. Wow, that boat's loud.
Look, he's jumping the
Hell yeah. You can feel this breeze right now, man. I'm trying to walk rocks like Nathan Drake in Uncharted. And you can hear that boat. That's a loud mother. Damn, what you got in that motor? It's crazy. I don't want to bother these old guys fishing. Let me show you these rocks, man. And my niece is going crazy because half the water, you can see how blue it is. I don't know, green, but then over there is all blue.
Because that's uncommon in Connecticut.
It is uncommon in Connecticut. It's like that video on YouTube where half the water is blue and then the rest of it's dark and shit. And look at the whole beach.
Where's our little tent?
The tent thingy?
Or like
Over there. Over there. Yeah, right there. Well, this is cool. You can see the whole beach. But I want to try that little freaking... Whoa, shh. Let me get off here.
just walk, just keep going.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you guys are fishing, but this is so awesome. People having fun, even though coronavirus is ruining shit for everybody, but Everybody's just trying to have fun, man. Especially it's July, summertime. The weather's good, the water's great. Very cold water. Me and my niece Angie went in there, well, how many times? Twice? Well, you went in there 4 times. Yeah, I'm in the bikinis because I bet you every damn guy wants to see it. Yeah, beautiful women and some you don't want to see. But look how this, man, this is crazy. How crazy is that, Angie? And look at those rocks over there. And you gotta walk through the water to get through there. Oh. No, they have to. Look, you see?
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not deep. You just walk.
You wanna try it?
You want to?
Might as well. But I might have to turn off the phone when I get there. So I'm just trying to shoot because I haven't vlogged in a while. I haven't posted nothing on my channel. Just been busy with work and just dealing with stuff. Sometimes you just need a break from life. Ugh. That's weird, it's spider webs. It's crazy, right? I don't spill my phone. Ugh. Careful, this sucker's gonna rip. The sand, the beaches. Is the same way we came?
Go back that way.
Go back that way.
Let me go.
Alright. Oh my god, the water's cold. Motherfucker. Beach day, cold water. Oh my god. Guys, you do not know how cold this water is right now. I'm gonna be leaving, I'm taking ass. Oh my god. You think we can make it? We're gonna try to walk this. See if this is a sandbar. Oh my god. You do not know how cold. You do not know how cold this fucking water is. Excuse my language. Oh my god. I'm literally holding on to my phone for dear life. It's rocks. I might trip. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut this off because I ain't trying to lose my phone. So guys, we literally walked from there all the way there. I couldn't document it because I ain't trying to fall and lose my phone. She thought that we were killing little crabs or little lobsters or whatever, or shells. But we're on this island and more of those kites, giant balloons. Seashell Island. So we're here on this nice Saturday, July 25th, 2020. Beautiful sunny day here in New London, Connecticut at whatever beach we were at again. What beach we at again? Ocean Beach, New London, Connecticut. Just beautiful. Now we're about to do these rocks. My freaking water shoes are full of water and sand. Possibly a bunch of, swimming babies. And somebody apparently littered because they drank some Truly. So we're about to hike this up. See more of the ocean from here. It's crazy. Lovely stuff. Beautiful. You can see more of the beach and the waters and all the boats. This is what Connecticut living is about. If you live in the southern New England and Connecticut, Massachusetts, Vermont, Maine, New Hampshire, they got all this stuff. Oh yeah, and Rhode Island. Let's not forget Rhode Island. I almost forgot Rhode Island, didn't I? Okay. We're climbing on rocks. Yeah, we gotta go this way. Weird. This is what we do. Getting you some vlog footage. We're gonna be a long ass video. Oh. Eat your heart out, David Dobrik. Stuck in the house all day. Even though I'm trying to fight not to get corona. Look how cool this is, man. Look at this ocean. Look how awesome this ocean is.
Ready, Rocky?
Just cool. And dragonflies flying around.
And we're so far from them.
Yeah, we're far. But it's good to venture out. Yeah, look at that guy in the canoe, or that lady. And that's a trolley. I think that's who carries cars and stuff to the other side of the island.
It's a ferry.
A ferry, yeah. I keep calling it a trolley.
It's a ferry.
Oh my God. Oh, I haven't been to the beach in years. This one's a better, beautiful beach. Last beach I went to had more seaweed. I felt like I was in a freaking Popeye movie. Let me see how we're gonna get through these rocks. She's doing it in chanclas. And everybody's like, what are those? Oh, those are my water shoes. Oh. It's plane up there. You can see the ferry way better. Boats. Just trying to get my Goonies on, if anybody knows that reference. Let's see if she's climbing up. See if I can do this without busting my butt cheeks. I got it. Damn, look at that plastic straw. Oh, God. Let me just record her going up.
It's like a perfect spot to sit and chill.
Hell yeah.
I don't want to keep going.
Okay. Oh, they're just here to jump in the water. But look how clear the water is, though. Yeah, dragonfly. Crazy, right? Now you can see the ferry way better. So I want you guys to see how deep that little pond over there is. It's like a sandbar, but just let's see how that works out to be. Somebody's smoking it smell like marijuana. Somebody getting high up in here. Damn. That's cool. It's like a little deserted island. All right, guys. Next time you see us, you're gonna see me.
Wanna go back?
Yeah, we're about to do that sandbar walk again, and she's gonna go walk first, and then you're gonna see me go through it.
But now there's someone that's regulated that you can't cross. Yeah, it sucks. I used to go over there all the time, and now I guess they don't let people walk across. It's only way.
He's walking through now.
That's the only way.
He's gonna drop in a second.
Going around it. But there's a guy sitting in a chair, like just watching people, and he's not letting people like go through. Yeah, and you have this light chair that can go through the rocks. Yeah. Yeah, it's a nice walk. It's a really nice area over there.
I know.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
It was easier than over there.
Over here.
just saw my big ass walking through all that. So actually we should have went through this way. Shallower over there, but much more deep. Not deeper over there, but yeah, very nice. Wow. Cold ass water. All right, guys, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my day. So you guys like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and enjoy, and tell me what you guys are doing for summer vacation. Beaches, lakes, water parks, whatever. Leave it in the comments. All right, guys, later.